This plant was given to me. I don't know what it is. How do I care for it? This is Angela from Durham, North Carolina. So, what kind of plant is it?
Well, it's an epiphyte, Epiphyllum, oxypetalum.
Okay.
It's called the Night-blooming Cereus. And there are, if you go look at, there's a way to get it to bloom if you really want to. But it only blooms for one night. And then in the morning it's gone. It's like our daylilies bloom during the day.
That's right. Yeah.
And so one day, and then, but this one blooms for one day at night.
At night.
One night it blooms. But anyway, it's called an orchid cactus. Definitely real pretty. I had one of those once.
Okay.
I've looked at the soil in her container, and I would say it likes to be root bound, but I don't know how long it's been in that container.
Right,
so you should, you don't even have to do much to it, but maybe take it out in the spring after this winter, put it inside, get it in a bright place to be, and I wouldn't water it too often, just keep it a little bit moist.
Okay.
You don't want to get it too wet. And then in the spring, I might want to repot it. I wouldn't put it in a bigger pot. I would like to take it out.
In a bigger pot. Okay.
I would like to take it out and get all the dirt off of it and look at the roots, and maybe, if some of the roots are not looking good, cut those roots off and then repot it back in the same pot, because it likes to be root bound.
Okay. Yeah, but again, I've seen, this plant, of course, many a times. Beautiful, beautiful bloom.
And they're easy to propagate. You can just cut the leaf off and stick it down in some nice moist soil with some rooting powder, and you get a new plant.
Look at you. So you do know this plant, don't you?
Yeah, I've had
it. You've had it, right? Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.